Hello, my name is Martín San Román and welcome Window to the South. Well, in this occasion we have something very typical for January the 6th. In Mexico we celebrate the Día de Reyes, and as you know, in Día de Reyes is typical to have the Rosca de Reyes, which is a bread, it's a sweet bread that is, we make the dough like this one using some flour, some orange juice, and orange perfume. It has some flour, sugar, and has vanilla and eggs as well. And we put the niños, you know, little tiny, let me show you to the camera, little tiny boys. They're in plastic, they won't melt, so don't be scared of it. The surprise in Mexico, the tradition is that when you find it, when you cut the Rosca de Reyes, and you cut a piece and you find the little boy, well, for the day of the Candelaria, you have to come up and make a party and make some tamales, okay? That's something very typical in the Mexican culinary world. Okay, so right now we have, we're rolling the dough and we are going to do a semi-circle. Not completely round, but a little bit more oval. And let me tell you, we have a portion about, it was about kilo of dough, and that's gonna be enough to make a Rosca de Reyes for around 5-6 people, okay? So after we get it all together, we are going to let it sit for about 20-25 minutes. So when we put it in the oven, it's going to be faster to cook, okay? And then, as you will see, we will put some mixture that we do with some butter, sugar and eggs and flour. We make a special dough, and then with that dough, we put it on the top of the rosca. Okay, like I said, this is about 2 pounds, 1 kilo of the dough. And believe me, it's very simple to make. Then for the decorations, well, you can put any decorations that you want, you know. And just to remind you that we will have this for sale on January the 6th here at the L'Atelier de Martín, which we are located next to El Original Pastel de Crepas in Zona Rio. Okay, so now we have this dough. That's the one I was telling you, that is made with the sugar, flour, egg, and what he's doing right now is just doing some little balls, and then he's going to put it on the top. Crispy, sugary flavor to the rosca. That's the part that everybody wants to have, okay? Every time you cut the rosca, everybody wants to cut here because they want more sugar. Now he's going to put the egg wash with everything, and we are going to bake it for around 25 to 30 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit, okay? So now let it set for a little bit. In the meantime, then you're going to put it in the oven, and we're going to continue, okay? So let's take a little break and we will be back. Okay, so after what we do, we take it out after 25 minutes of baking, and we are going to put some chocolate. In this case, we like to use the pink chocolate, so it's going to give it a nice color, nice presentation. Okay, and then we are going to bring it back into the oven so the chocolate melts for about 5 minutes so we can finish giving some more color, okay? As you see, the texture, how it grow up, you know, it's very nice. Okay, so now we just took the rosca out of the oven, okay, and Omar is going to set it up on the board. Hopefully it doesn't break. As you see, the chocolate, you know, it melts, so it looks quite nice. And then we are just going to finish doing the decoration, okay? So we put in some dried dates from Mexicali. Now we put the caramelized squash, cherries, and now he's going to put the ate, okay? The ate is very typical to use it for the Rosca de Reyes. After that, he's going to put the powdered sugar, and then at the end, he's going to decorate it with the flowers. And now we're going to put some fresh flowers for the decoration. You see how beautiful? And you can call, to the 664-979-9895, and you can place your order for the Rosca de Reyes here at L'Atelier de Martín, next to the Original Pastel de Crepas. And then after that, we are going to give you the quantities in case you want to do it, okay?